If you've been stuck in the minor pentatonic box, then in this video we're going to work on some ideas and techniques to break you out and master the minor pentatonic scale. My name is Richard Shepard and I'm the owner of the Heroes of Music Institute. Grab your guitar and let's get started. Here are all 5 positions of A minor pentatonic. The first one you probably already know. This is our first position. The second position starts on the C. Third position starts on D. Fourth position starts on E. And our fifth position starts on G. Now, once you know all 5 positions, what you want to start doing is creating connecting points or creating runs so that you can get from position to position. You can use something like slides to go from position 1 to position 2 or to any position. For example, you can try using super slides, but you want to make sure that your eyes are looking towards where you want to land. Slides can work in both directions, up and then down. The next thing you want to do is you want to learn these positions in all keys. The benefit of learning these positions in all keys is that you're going to find positional relationships as songs or pieces start changing keys. For example, if I'm in position 1 here in A minor, and let's say my next key change is to C sharp minor. From A minor to C minor, I'm in position 1 here, but I'm also in position 4 for C minor. I don't have to just move position 1 up and down. I'm here or very close to where I need to be already. It may seem obvious, but to me this was a huge aha moment. Now let's talk about some additional techniques you can utilize to master the pentatonic scale. Number 1 is you can use double stops. Double stops are simply 2 strings played at the same time. In addition, you can try adding a slide to the double stop and moving to a different position. Now, if you notice, I'm adding a little bit of vibrato to the double stops as well. Here's the example without vibrato. Now, speaking of vibrato, this is something you really want to spend some time with. A lot of times we get the general idea of the vibrato and it ends up just kind of running on automatic. What you want to do is you really want to develop a sense of the wave of the vibrato. As I'm bending up, I'm releasing the note to the original pitch. Do your best to monitor the pitch bend as much as possible. Also, with my right hand, I'm keeping an eye on the other strings with the meaty side of my thumb. You have to figure out what works best for your hands. Now, I could write some exercises for you to switch between scales and how to transition, but I didn't want to give you patterns that you might get stuck in. You need to find your own ways of connecting these different patterns. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found some value in it, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Stay great.